eighth track is called Bereka Mosadi. The song. Yeah, I know there's a phrase that says, Bereka Mosadi, that, we always as women have that Bereka Mosadi. But this one is not a hustle and grind type of thing. It's to be productive, be fruitful, be intentional, be precise, and not just hustle for the sake of hustling. And also in that, to remember that we are still women, that we will not and cannot do things the way that men do it. Each one has its own strength. There's no one that's better than the other. So Bereka Mosadi truly is just me saying, we are women. Let's be women. Let's not try and occupy spaces that do not fit the feminine energy.